Welcome to this short video on one of the 50 myCAD tools available, ColorChart. ColorChart enables you to apply colours to SOLIDWORKS entities, bodies, faces, parts, assemblies, etc., all using standard colour charts. ColorChart opens in the SOLIDWORKS task pane. ColorChart offers 3 standard colour charts: Pantone, mainly used for building work, RAL for industry, and RGB. You can also add your own colour charts as XML files. To assign a colour, the first method involves selecting a colour, selecting the application filter, selecting the shape, and finally applying the colour. This method enables numerous entities to be selected. The second method, which is more simple, involves dragging and dropping the colour onto the shape. The menu enables you to choose whether to apply the colour to the face, function, body, part, or component of the assembly. The properties of the colour chart are automatically applied to the part. You can find the colour chart colour and the RGB values. In the options, you can choose the properties to extract and customise their names. If you would like to know what other tools are available, please watch our other videos or use the local help.
We'd like to take a few moments to tell you about our company. Innova Systems are a UK-based authorised reseller for SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD software. We provide the highest quality technical support and training courses to over 1,000 of our customers. Buying from us doesn't just mean a box of software, you also get the backup of our multi-award winning technical support team. Innova have been voted #1 for customer satisfaction for the last 4 years running. We are a company driven by the continued success of our customers. If you're interested in knowing more about SOLIDWORKS or the services we provide, please get in contact with us.